like a lot of women, we know that what we're feeling is probably something we need to talk through, but at the same time, we have so much on our plate. I definitely, I think like most people, was really shocked when the pandemic hit. It felt like a dream. And at the time, I was a new mom. I was actually raising an infant, my first baby. And my husband and I were experiencing the joys and also the stresses of parenthood. It was my husband and I in the house all day, every day, raising our baby, and both working full time. So we were juggling, all of these different roles without any additional help or support. And every day was feeling like Groundhog Day. You're looking at yourself in the mirror going, have I been in these clothes or these pajamas for more than a couple of days? I don't even remember anymore. So all of that sort of change in routine, and I think the toll that it took on all of us not being able to see our families and friends in a close-knit way or have support was really weighing on me, especially as a new mom. I suddenly started to feel myself more and more feel like if I didn't talk to somebody or at least get these feelings out of me, I felt like I was going to lose it. And so there was one night that it was about, I'd say 11 p.m. And I usually took the night shift at the time with my daughter, because she was still kind of getting up. And I just handed the baby monitor to my husband and I said, I need to go outside and take a break. And I remembered the phone number that I saw on the Blue Cross coronavirus landing page. So I got my phone out and I went to that landing page and I found that phone number and I tapped it and I called it. And within minutes, I was on the line with someone who I could tell really cared about me and wanted to know what was going on. I really wasn't sure how to start the conversation. I kind of floundered for probably a minute or two, and then I don't know what happened. I don't know what this wonderful woman said to me, but she said something and I just burst into tears. And next thing you know, I was just letting it out on the phone. I think I talked to her for about 30 minutes or so, and I was able to just voice and hear the things that I, again, had been kind of stuffing down. And then on the other end, hear this caring professional, this wonderful woman, just tell me that everything that I was feeling was completely normal, that, what I was going through was a lot, and that I had every right to feel highly stressed out in this situation. She just gave me a couple of things to think about and tools that I felt like I could walk away with and use. And in the end, it really felt like I was getting a hug over the phone from this wonderful woman that was able to step into my world for a second and hear everything that was going on and just make me feel so much better in that moment. It really taught me the importance, I think, of being able to check in with someone and check in with myself on a regular basis to make sure that my mental health is doing as well as my physical health and making my whole self a priority.